back to the channel. Today we're going to be opening Lego Christmas tree, and the number is 30576. 6 and over. This is the back of the box. There's nothing really to see, so let's open it. And we also have this so we don't have to like scramble all the thing on the floor. Hope I don't lose any. So there's so much more in it. So I think I can do this in like 20 minutes. Why is the thing so small? Oh. This is just like the other. The giant castle. Never mind. I can get it. Stop it! I'm just gonna try my best to make it correctly. Can you hold this? Like this? Okay, first up, we need this thing. Now we need 4 of the flower thing. We got 4 of these. We put it on the corner of the thing, of the block thing. And this is supposed to be a Christmas tree. Don't know how it's gonna turn out though. Hope it's gonna turn out great. Let's put this now. Now we got another this thing. And put it on top again. Now we need a red thing. A shiny red thing. Where's the shiny red thing? Oh yes, we need the shiny red thing. Where's the shiny red thing? Where is that shiny red thing? Clear red, clear red, clear red, clear red, clear red, clear red. There's clear. There's no clear red. Because this is a darker one. So I assume it's clear. But there's no clear. Okay, we found it. Not. Oh. This one is this. Oh. Okay. We'll just go and find it. Oh, that's brown. I thought it was dark red. Oh. My mistake. Sorry. Now we gotta put these on top of here. Wait, I have to do this 4 times. And then, I just can't believe it. We need like 2 more, then we're finished of this part. I hope we don't do it wrong again. What? Okay. I want to check if it's right. Yes, it is right. So, we're gonna do this. Nope, I did it wrong. Like this. Put it like this. Put it like this. Then just. So complicated. How do we do this? Huh? Oh. I think it's right. I'm not sure. Yeah, it's right. It's like this. You gotta put it all around. Why are you yelling? You already like slept for. Let me twist it. Yeah, probably it fits. So you gotta be like this. Now you gotta put multiple random things to do. Gotta put in a circle formation. Do 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 do. Orange, red, green, purple, and more red. This is how it's going to turn out. Then later, now we're going to put this on. This. On the brown thing. Yeah, like this. Then you gotta put another, okay, we got to put more of these on top. On top of that, on top of the 1x3 or 3x1 dark green flat thing.
You mean the block?
Not block. It's the thin one. This is the thin dark red, dark brown, dark green one. Gotta put this in here. Now we're gonna put an X on top. Oh yeah, I missed something. I need to put this on here. And another purple. Oh, that's blue. That's not purple, that's blue. That's purple. Yeah, that's purple. No, that's blue. Wait, what? Okay. Now we're gonna put the bits on top of it, not the X. We need 2 clear yellows, and then 2 clear yellows, and 2 clear blues. Peppa Pig. Peppa Pig. Now we're finally gonna do the X part. With this thing, put it on here. Can you raise it high? Now we're gonna use this. So complicated. We need 2 blues on 2 black things and 2 purples on 2 black things. So, what is she looking for? Doesn't it look so beautiful? It looks complicated. Looks complicated. I'm gonna put this on top. Now we're gonna turn to the other side. You're covering it. And now we're gonna put these short things, like close to it, like this. I don't know what to say. So, how was your day? Great or bad? What have you eaten today? Food? You gotta put the X on top now. Now you need a red thing to put on the X. Then 2 oranges together. We're almost done. The orange things. And 1 green thing. And then 4 triangle-ish things on the X. Like this triangle thing. Why did you do that? We need the triangle things to surround a thing, a square, and put a green thing, put a brown thing on a green, put a green thing on a brown thing on a green thing, put a green thing on a brown thing on a white thing, and then put it on top of this tree. You'll put the star on it. Where's this? There's 1 extra star. It's like a wand. Stick it in there. And I gotta put this platform. I might have to just put the platform first. And then you put this thing on this thing on this. There's like a chopper. That means we can twist our Christmas tree. Yes. I think it's lopsided. Yeah, about that. Whatever. I'll do that later. You got this, and then you got this. Put another this on it. Put another thing, this on it. Then you put like a pretend ribbon. It's just a dot. Can you help me?
Sure.
Put this on while I make the presents. You put 1 dot thing, 2 by 2. I think it's a 2 by 2. Now you put another white thing on it. And it is completed. What next? There's nothing next. Nothing else, nothing else. Thank you so much. Now we just got both presents and whatever, I'll just put it closer in the back. Yes, and then you get this present over here. And then we're done. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas, everybody. Merry Christmas, everybody.
Can you sing a Christmas song?
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings we bring to you and your kin. Good tidings for Christmas and a Happy New Year. Bye guys. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Give us a big thumbs up. Like us on Facebook and follow us on Instagram. We want 1 million subscribers. So please subscribe and we'll see you next time. Bye.